Kababi, handa na ba kayo para sa buy one get one na Mr. Booba dito sa Hamdan Street? Yes kabayan, tama ang narinig nyo. Ngayon Sabado at Linggo, meron silang buy one get one dito sa Hamdan branch nila. Buy one get one sa Saturday at Sunday dito sa bago bukas na Mr. Booba. Guys, kung naalala nyo, meron first branch doon sa may Defense Road at yung second branch nila ay sa may Alwada Mall Extension. At eto na nga, dahil grand opening, meron silang buy one get one this Saturday and Sunday. Enjoy buy one get one free promo sa classic at premium milk tea. Doble ang sarap, doble ang saya. Perfect for sharing with your bestie or special someone. Kaya tara na, experience that creamy, refreshing goodness. Buy one get one dahil deserve mo to. Buy one get one na burger, 10 dirhams lang. Meron din silang cheeseburger, 12 dirhams lang. At meron silang cheeseburger with egg, 15 dirhams lang. Ito yung 10 dirhams na burger nila. Ito yung cheeseburger, 12 dirhams lang siya. Yung cheeseburger with egg, 15 dirhams lang siya. Siomai dito for only 10 dirhams at alam nyo ba na homemade to? So meron silang chicken at meron silang beef. At kung gusto nyo ng combo, 20 dirhams lang, meron ka na rin milk tea. So 20 dirhams, meron ka na siomai at milk tea. So tara!